Driver accused of seriously injuring 3 pedestrians while allegedly driving drunk early New Year's Day is back behind bars tonight.
His bail was revoked after he was indicted on a long list of serious charges. News 4's Jen Shantz has new details. Jen?
Jackie, 31-year-old Abdikadir Jaffar pleaded not guilty on all of those charges today, which include 5 counts of aggravated vehicular assault. Erie County Court Judge Kenneth Case ordered he be remanded without bail. Prior to today, he was out on $100,000 bail, which was upped from his first appearance. 31-year-old Abdikadir Jaffar will remain in custody on 9 charges stemming from a New Year's Day crash. Jaffar is accused of driving drunk on Buffalo's west side just after 1 o'clock in the morning New Year's Day. Police say the Utica man had a BAC of almost 3 times the legal limit.
As of now, my client, he really doesn't know what happened, or someone may have slipped something in his drink or something.
Jaffar's attorney says his client is a devout Muslim who normally doesn't drink, and that he was pressured by some new friends that night.
As far as I know, there's no way to increase someone's blood alcohol level with a Mickey.
3 pedestrians suffered serious injuries from the crash, including a 16-year-old losing the leg above the knee. Jaffar pleaded not guilty to all of the elevated charges against him.
All these charges are predicated upon the nature of the injuries. So we had to wait and see how the injuries manifested themselves first to see if they would qualify as serious injuries in order to charge what we did.
The judge ordered Jaffar to be held without bail. Jaffar's attorney says his client is remorseful for what happened and that he's not a flight risk.
He came to America for a reason. He's been here for 10 years. He's a citizen. He has his wife here and like 7 kids. He was in the Utica area. He moved to Buffalo to face these charges. I'm in constant contact with him.
Now, the DA says there is some evidence to suggest Jaffar attempted to flee the scene that night. If he's convicted on all of these charges, he could spend up to 15 years behind bars. At 6 o'clock, what Jaffar's defense is hoping will shed light on what happened that night. Live in the studio, Jen Shantz, News 4 at 6.